Oral-B Kids Stages Power Frozen Replacement Heads 4-pack. Unique electric toothbrush heads designed especially for kids. Provide a gentle brushing experience. Ideal size and softness for the mouths of children. Makes brushing teeth fun with frozen characters. Compatible with the entire lineup of Oral-B Stages Power Kids electric rechargeable toothbrush handles, except for Oral-B Sonic toothbrushes. The Oral-B Stages Power Replacement electric toothbrush heads, featuring Frozen, are specially made for kids to provide an overall healthy toothbrushing experience. The extra soft bristles are gentle on tender gums and smaller bristles provide extra soft brushing while longer center bristles are ideal for cleaning chewing surfaces. This is an ideal choice for the smaller, but growing mouths of your own budding heroes. Top reviews from the United States. Oral-B 3+. As I seen the comments below I was hesitated to buy. But I bought and I have not had the problem with mold. My kids rinse their toothbrushes after they use it and I switch out the heads every 3 months. So they work, clean teeth and I am happy to be a Oral-B user for toothbrushes.